Guys, you know about Manus AI? Meta acquired Manus AI. So China has blocked Meta's 2 billion acquisition of Manus AI platform. The time for a new update. Manus, yes, is quite disappointing to observe. I think for Meta it will be much harder to catch up without them. Who are they gonna buy next? So this is the post. As expected, the NDRC has prohibited Meta's acquisition of Manus. What is NDRC? I think it's some Chinese organization, National Development and Reform Commission of China. So it has prohibited Meta's acquisition of Manus. It seems that in future AI startups will inevitably have to choose sides between domestic and international markets, either going global across the entire industry or focusing solely on the domestic one. So Manus came out from China, and regarding the agents and everything in other AI models, it got traction later on, but Manus was, I think it was like the earlier companies that were offering agents. This is the pricing for Manus. Let's see the monthly $40 a month for the 8,000 credits, $20 a month to up to $200 a month. This seems like standard pricing for many AI programs, 20 up till 200. I think we need to go to Grok and let's try to understand over here. Help me understand Manus AI and how early was it in the agentic era of AI. I think it was among the earlier ones that introduced agents. Manus is a pioneering autonomous AI agent, not just a chatbot that answers questions, but a system that can plan, reason, and execute complex multi-step tasks on its own, often asynchronously. It keeps working even when you close the app. So it was one of the OG AI agents, guys. I told you. Hands-on, the name Manus means hand. So it uses multi-agent architecture, planner, executor, verifier, sub-agent. It operates inside a virtual computer or browser environment where it can browse web, edit files, write and run code, create websites, send email, fill forms. You give it a high-level goal. Okay. Research competitors, build comparison website, and email the summary to my team. And it breaks down, executes, iterates if needed, and delivers the final result. It gained massive hype in early 2025. Guys, in early 2025, isn't that insane? For demos showing real autonomy, searching apartments, populating spreadsheets, building projects while you do other things. So the agentic era, let's understand this one of AI. It refers from the shift from chatbots to agents that actually do stuff for you. So where is Manus? On March 6, 2025, Manus was launched, widely seen as one of the first general AI agents with viral demos. It was big in 2025, guys, but anyways, other AI programs, they actually went on to, well, go quite ahead. Now we have a lot going on. We have Claude, we have OpenClaw. Manus was early and one of the first major consumer facing general agent. It helped kick off for Accelerate 2025 year of the agent. Many call it China's DeepSeek moment for agentic AI. Now a part of Meta, and limitations. Okay, can still make mistakes. Credit usage can be high. Occasional reliability. Yeah. So let's go to Google to find some news related to it. What's happening over here, guys? Let me just figure out my screen. Did I not record all the stuff on the big screen over here, or did I? We'll see it later, but anyways, the goal is to learn. Let me close the other tabs, and now I'm looking forward to see what Manus AI, what news they have related to Manus AI. China blocks purchase. Let's see. China blocks Meta's $2 billion acquisition of AI startup Manus. So yeah, this has been reported by a lot of well-reputed websites, including one Silicon Angle that I came across yesterday. Manus claimed to revolutionize agentic AI. Now Chinese authorities are forcing Meta to unwind its purchase of the company in what analysts believe could set a new precedent. It was supposed to cost upwards of $2 billion to Meta. Meta, which owns Facebook, okay, said in a statement that its purchase of Manus has complied fully with the applicable law. We anticipate an appropriate resolution to the inquiry. China has been racing in its attempt to surpass American AI innovation as a matter of both economic strength and national security. At times, with some successes such as launch of its indigenous DeepSeek model, caused US stocks like Meta, Nvidia, and Microsoft to plummet before recovering some loss. Meta's decision last year to acquire Manus was a rare case of US tech giant buying an AI firm with strong links to China. Interesting, guys. Let's read one one another article, Financial Times. Okay. We can read this one from Al Jazeera as well. Beijing tightens scrutiny of artificial intelligence industry amid intensifying geopolitical rivalry with the US over technology. China said it's blocking tech giant Meta from an acquisition of AI startup Manus. Manus, which has Chinese roots but is based in Singapore, provides general purpose AI agents designed to carry out complex tasks with minimal human intervention. So it seems like they are blocking this purchase, and Meta has said that they have complied with the applicable laws and anticipate an appropriate resolution to the inquiry. Let's see if we can find anything new over here other than what we already read. A person familiar with the matter said Beijing had told the two companies that a deal must be unwound completely, including returning funds and re-registering the company's ownership and halting Meta's use of the Manus algorithm. The person said that if the parties fail to fully undo the acquisition, Beijing would impose penalties on Meta, limits its China-related business, and possibly pursue criminal charges for individual involved. So what's the future? The Manus acquisition represents the second major deal in which Beijing has intervened following a sale by CK Hutchison of 43 global ports. So that was for ports, and this one is in the AI and tech industry. So guys, it seems like things are not gonna be going good for Manus if they don't pull out of this deal. Meta, I think, was already quite invested in it, and Manus, like I already told you, it was one of the pioneers of the Agentic era, and this doesn't seem like great news. But I think companies moving into the future, like we read over here, will have to decide if they are gonna serve the domestic market or if they are gonna be something international, because I think there are gonna be tense geopolitical moments in the future related to or over the matters of AI and technology. So that is what I think, and I think I'm gonna end the live stream over here. We are gonna go have some breakfast and other stuff, but later on in the night I might do a live stream again. But anyways, the purpose of this live stream is to learn about AI and publicly, which I'm doing, and it's been quite fulfilling. And I think you people will be also on this journey together, so it will be even more enjoyable. Let me know down in the comments what you think of all this. I think that the future of AI is very bright, and we need to be in on this at this point in time, otherwise we are going to be left behind. So I look forward to seeing your comments and discussing all of what we have in mind down in the comments, and I hope you people stay blessed. See you soon, guys.